everyone and welcome to October Favorites. Now I do apologize for this being a little late, but I had some favorites and I have to share them, so here it is. So the first thing that I've been loving absolutely is the Body Shop Fuji Green Tea Moisturizer. Now again, I recently discovered that it's not necessary to moisturize just during winters. You have to keep your skin hydrated throughout the year, and that is why you should moisturize throughout the year. Hence, I got hold of this from the website and oh my gosh, this thing smells good. Yeah, essentially Body Shop products do smell good, but it works wonders. Like, I literally feel that my skin has become so soft, and everybody around me, like obviously my family and friends, I'm just like, feel my hand, it's that good. Secondly, I chose the Fuji green tea one because the Body Shop does a lot of varieties and it's very difficult to pick one, but they have a patent on this that only they can make a Fuji green tea variant from a particular farm. Like, only they are allowed access to that. So always choose what a brand is known for, and hence I went for this one, and I totally recommend this one. So the next thing I have to share with you can potentially change some of your lives forever. Yes. It is actually an eyebrow routine that I've been following, and this is my own idea, so pat on the back for me. What I've been doing is taking my hair cream, which I've been using since months. It's the Body Shop Brazil Nut Define and No Frizz. Now I just take one little drop, share it in like for both of my eyebrows, and then take my eyebrow brush. This is just from Forever 21. It was for $129 bargain, and I just brush my eyebrows, and this is the final result. I have not filled it in. I have done nothing pertaining to makeup except concealer and lipstick, and this is how amazing it looks. So you can definitely try any hair cream of your choice and your own eyebrow brush and do this, and you won't ever need to fill your eyebrows. So makeup wise, it's very short and sweet because I have just one product, which is this brush. Now this is actually a painting brush, but when I spotted this and saw that this was just for 50 or 60 rupees, in that range, I decided to get this for highlighting, and it works awesome because I can wash it and I can highlight. It's essentially a fan brush, just like any other highlighter brush, but it's a fraction of the price. So yes, I think it is a pretty genius idea. So even you can try it, and I got this one from Anupam. So yes, if you go there, do let them know you watched my video and gone there, and if a lot of us shop from there, then they will get into a partnership with me, and then all of us can get huge discounts on stationery. So yeah, we can try it out, and this is an amazing thing. So next up is this perfume from UCB. It is the Hot perfume, and this is a very amazing feminine fragrance because it is a little spicy, just a little spicy, and that's a sort of elderflower kind of a fragrance. Like, it's not floral, but it's a very mature fragrance, and I have to maintain the same perfume throughout the month because I generally end up spraying it on my zipper, and I don't wash my zipper every time I wear it, obviously. So if I have this on my zipper and some other perfume on my top, then that can clash. So I essentially have to maintain the same one, and this was the one I used throughout October, and I have used it quite a lot before as well. You can see that. Next up, we have two clothing items. The first one is a pair of joggers. Now I live in joggers like any other normal person who loves to be comfortable, and these are from Forever 21. These are normal joggers, grey, melange grey kind of a color, and the best part is they have the same color drawstring, so it doesn't really pop out even if you just decide to tie it without tucking it inside. And the second thing is a blue faux leather jacket from Bermuda, and I got this very long ago, and this is a size which is very big for me. But I have been wearing this throughout the month of October. Like, I wasn't wearing this because it is big, but then I decided, screw it, let's wear it because I want to get good use out of it. And you can see this in my collab haul as well. I think I'll just throw it on right now. And it just pops out so well. I also wore this to college one day and I got heads turning. So I like that. Again, I roll up the sleeves quite well, not like this. I roll them up properly and then it is my size when I roll it up. So that's how I've been wearing it, and these are the two things I have been almost living in the month of October. So I really love the way this is looking, and I'm just gonna wear it throughout the rest of the video. Next up, coming to food. My favorite thing every month is food. And this month I explored by going to Chili America. It's an American cafe at Inorbit Mall. It's there in the Inorbit Mall, Malad one, but I don't know if it exists other places. You can definitely Google it and find other outlets, and you must visit Chili America once. Why? Because it's authentic American. Now many times you have the experience that we go to Oriental and Italian restaurants and usually they end up having an undertone of Indian dishes. So I don't like that, and Chili America was purely American. Like, they had a proper burger. I've been to socials, but even their burger was like, nah, it wasn't that good. But Chili America had a huge burger. They serve an authentic and nice sauce with it, which is making my mouth water at the moment. And they have the most amazing fries, which are free with the burger. They are this huge and they're thick and they're crispy. Like, I love thick fries, but then I can never make them crispy. So there I got thick crispy fries, and the burger is a little bit expensive. Like, they range in 500. Yes, one burger, so 500 rupees. But trust me, you will not be in the state of eating anything else after that burger. It's that good. The patty is amazing. Everything about that burger was amazing. So you have to go there. Then coming on to TV shows, I have been loving the Ellen DeGeneres show. I don't know why I was living under a huge rock, because I didn't watch Ellen before. And when I saw her on YouTube, I loved her, and I've been genuinely laughing to all of her videos and convincing myself that it's okay to laugh. I'm just enjoying, I'm refreshing. And the second show I've been really loving is Super Dancer on Sony TV. It's a dance competition between young children, and children are obviously young. Great thinking, Haley. It is so nice. Like, the talent level is on a totally different level, and the choreographers, I have never seen such dance routines on any other show. It literally, every episode gives me goosebumps. It's that good. Please ignore the phone call. And what else have I been loving? Music. I have been enjoying Luan a lot. She's a French singer and I love French songs. So I have been on Luan all the month of October. So book-wise, I have to compulsorily be in love with my textbooks because my exams are coming up, and yeah, so I haven't been reading a lot. As I told you guys, I have been watching Ellen a lot and convincing myself that I'm refreshing, but this month's target is to read, so hopefully there'll be some good books in November favorites. And this was it. This was all for October favorites, and I do hope you found something new and you will try it. And yes, I do hope you enjoyed, and leave one nice place where you have been to eat in the comment section below, and then I can go and discover that and review that for other people as well, because I am just enjoying exploring new places to eat. So please do that, and do like it if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you very soon. And I have an amazing lineup of videos, so I'm very excited to film all of those. So yes, just wanted to share that. Yeah, I'll see you very soon. Goodbye.